Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's sweet video, if you accidentally forgot to use a referral code to start driving for Uber, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to use a retroactive sign-up code so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000. All right, all you got to do is open the Uber driver app. At the top of the screen, you're going to see either your picture or 3 lines. Click there. Then you're going to click Earnings. Next, click Help or the question mark, depending on what you see. Click Account and Payment. Then click Referrals. Click Invited Driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Click Send a Message. The invite code that you're going to use is JACOBL17756UI. Friend's name is Jacob Letman. Phone number is going to be 307-349-7713. And the email address is goodvibetribe222@gmail.com. Finally, under details, you're just going to put, my friend Jacob referred me to drive for Uber. That's it. Send it in and get your guarantee of up to $1,000 to start driving with Uber. Hakuna Matata, driving rideshare is cool. It's an easy way to make some cash, driving the rideshare. What's up, everybody? I'm Jacob Letman, and you're back with me on the Rideshare Hub for another episode. Hey, if you haven't started driving for Lyft or Uber yet, and you would like to, click the link in the bio below so that you can get a sign-on bonus and get started driving for rideshare today. That's what's up. Also, before we get started with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we've got some great content and it's everything rideshare here. Feel free to share this video and then drop down into the comments section below so we can hear from you. All right, let's get this thing started. Today, what I wanted to cover are the 5 most frequent questions that I am asked as a rideshare driver. Number 1, boom, do you like it? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want some more of it? Yeah, I do like it. I enjoy it quite a bit. Why? Well, because I make my own schedule. I don't have a boss. That's great. I get to drive in my vehicle, and I get to listen to tunes and meet people from all different walks of life, and so that's all fun. I enjoy all of those things. Question number 2 that I'm most frequently asked that goes along with it, do you do this full-time or part-time? And the answer is I do it mostly part-time, but sometimes full-time if other things in my life are slowing down. However, I also only really enjoy driving part-time. When I have to drive like 40, 50 hours a week, a couple weeks in a row, I start to get burned out on it. So the other things I do, I am an actor. And I'm also a very good golfer. I play golf on a professional level, and I teach golf, and I work a lot of golf charity events. So between acting and golf, driving for rideshare, I keep a pretty busy schedule. Yes. What else? Number 3, is it safe? Really good question, and there's been a lot of dialogue around that question with rideshare lately because, unfortunately, there's some crazies out there, and just some horrific things have happened to both drivers and passengers. So, safety first. Seriously, let's all joking aside, safety first. As a passenger and as a driver, we want a safe and great experience for everyone. That's the goal. So also, I'm going to be making a safety video soon on how to be safe as a driver and as a passenger, so keep an eye out for that. But overall, I would say that yes, I find it very safe. I have not felt in any danger at any time driving, and I think, the best thing is that both drivers and passengers, we have full profiles, so it's not like anyone can get away with anything if something happens, right? All the information is there. So if something does go wrong, that person's not going to get away with it. It's really easy to backtrack that. So that alone should deter a lot of people from doing anything, if they're your passenger. Now, you should ask, as a driver, I will say this, you should ask for you should say, what's your name? so that they have to tell you what their name is, and it better match what you have on your passenger profile. Don't say, "Are you Brandon?" Because then they can just be like, "Yeah, I'm Brandon." Say, "Yeah, what's your name?" Okay. Anyway, we'll get more into safety on another video. Number 4 question that I'm most frequently asked, is it lucrative? Fair question, right? People don't really know with how much our expenses are and how much we make. They really have no concept of that. So the answer is yes, it is lucrative, or most people would not do it. But let's give a more specific answer. So I'm really organized. I keep track of my mileage and gas and yeah, well, I guess that car maintenance, all the things over 2.5 years. I've been really thorough with that. And I've also figured out a way to calculate depreciation of my vehicle. And so between driving in California and Phoenix over 2.5 years, I have made, on average, $15 an hour. So sometimes it's a little more, sometimes it's a little less, but overall it has worked out to $15 an hour. Yeah, great. Number 5. I'm sure as a driver you get this all the time. Do you have any crazy stories, bro? Yeah, I do have crazy stories. Would you like to hear one? Let me think. Let me share a quick crazy story with you. Okay. One night, it's 2 a.m. I am doing a bar pickup. Bars are closing. I pull up. It's an older lady and a younger girl, but old enough to drink, I think. So anyway, I pick them up, and the ride was only like 5 miles away. I'm driving them, and, they're chatting in the back, and then I pull into the housing complex, and they start making out. Okay, unexpected, but cool. Do what you gotta do. So I'm driving them up to their house, and they're making out, going at it. I pull up, and I'm like, hey, hey, we're here. So anytime you want to wrap it up, okay, move it on inside. And the older lady was trying to pull away and stop things, but the younger girl was all over her and not having it. And she's trying to get her to go inside with her, come on, come in with me. And the older lady, she's like, no, you need to go, blah, blah, blah. So for 10 minutes, we're trying to get this girl out. I'm like, for the love of God, get out of my vehicle, please. Come on. I got places to go, home, to bed. So we can't get her out. Finally, lady gets out, goes around, pretty much pulls her out and drags her to the house. Comes back, and she's like, oh, well, that was really awkward. And I'm like, no sweat, it's whatever. And she's like, no, that girl is my daughter's best friend, and we've never done anything like that. And I don't know how I'm going to explain to my daughter that I just made out with her best friend and she wanted to hook up with me. And to make it worse, tomorrow we're all going on a road trip together for a week. I was like, oh, dang. That's crazy, yo. Good luck with that. Where am I taking you? But I'm like, hey, your secret's safe with me. I won't tell your daughter. Driver's code. What happens in my vehicle stays in my vehicle. Okay. Anyway, those are my 5 most frequently asked questions as a rideshare driver. If I miss something that you're frequently asked, drop down in the comment section below and put it out there. I love to have conversations about this stuff. It's fun as a driver, right? Get some crazy questions. Also, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Appreciate that. And again, if you have not started driving for Lyft or Uber, but you would like to, there is a link in the bio below that you can click on to get started. All right, you guys. Hey, once again, I'm Jacob Lettman. Follow me on Instagram at jacob.lettman. Follow the Rideshare Hub on Instagram at Rideshare Hub. And until next time, be safe out there. Take care, guys.